Hey y'all, it's April Dunn with April Dunn Real Estate, and today we are in Jonesboro, Georgia. It is inspection day, and so I am here with one of my most thorough inspectors. We're going to take a look under the hood of this house to make sure that there aren't any issues with this home and to make sure that it is actually worth the price tag. So this is the very first day of our due diligence period. It's very important when you get ready to purchase a home that you immediately get an inspector out during your due diligence period to make sure that everything is copacetic with the house and it's actually a home that you want to move forward on. So I will be giving you a tour of this home. Part of the inspection is just, checking all of the major appliances, all of the major systems like the HVAC and, the air conditioner, the water heater, making sure that the plumbing is good, the water pressure. So all of that is important. You want to walk into a house and, be ready to live in it, not work on it unless fixer-uppers are your thing. So again, come with me. I'm going to show you more about this house.